Shadow work, by the way, obviously I want everyone to do it, but I usually the people that come to me is when they had tried everything else and still pain is there. And they're like, I really need to find an answer. I'm like, I have the answer. This is it. But could I have it right away in the first choice? Absolutely. We had one participant like never done any kind of, and she chose this to be that choice. I'm like, amazing.
I love that though.
Amazing, right? Any kind of healing before? Nothing. And this is the choice. I'm like, perfect. You go deeper and faster.
Yeah.
And it's just, the way I look at it is like, you can take 6 years, or you can take one session.
There you go. Yeah, there you go. And I think what Resham said was so powerful too. It's like, when you get into the mental side of things, does it work? Of course it does.
Yeah, but if you mental body.
Yeah, but if you want a shortcut, and also if you want it to last a long time, like you not only just want to receive a manifestation like one time, like a little text, or you know, like, oh, I want to go on a date with this guy or whatever, like that all works. You can visualize that and do all that stuff, because it's, again, you know, this is all fun work. But when we're talking about long-term stability, long-term wealth, long-term healthy relationship, I don't think, or I don't feel that you can actually bypass the body. You have to go to the body.
Yeah, because in that part of your body, in the suppressed part, you have truth. The other half of your truth, right?
Yeah.
You're going to find your boundaries. You're going to find your worth, your value. You're going to find so much more that it will complement what you already know from your protectors, from your adaptations. So yeah, it just makes you more whole. And from, I mean, think about it. If you had, let's say for those of you that have problems with money, right? Yeah, you can visualize all the manifestation, but if inside of you, there is a belief that having money is bad, or having money disconnects you from the family, or disapproves you from your family, or having money makes you an evil person, whatever, right? Then no matter how much visualization you're doing, it's not going to change the vibration that you hold, which is connected to the belief. So you had to go to, where did I find a belief? You had to change that. Obviously, you adapted a belief to survive.
Yes.
That's the other part.
Yes.
We adapted a belief to survive. For example, I discovered that actually with me.
Yeah.
In worth, I removed my self-worth in the womb, right? When I went into the memory, it was in the womb. My mother worked as a maid at that time, and she was going to get fired for being pregnant, right? And so she felt unworthy of that situation or the job, and so I removed my worth to be accepted. Because in the moment she feels unworthy, imagine me coming alive and I'm like so worthy, and you feel unworthy. How would we have that if you were my mom?
Yeah.
Right? It wouldn't match, because I would be a constant reminder of how miserable you are.
Yes.
If I feel amazing and worthy. So what I did is I decided, in that moment I split and removed my worth to maintain that connection and feel close to her.
Yeah.
Because I had to be at the same level as mom. Yeah?
Yeah.
And so, I mean, is it a bad decision? No, it was to belong, right? Yeah. But for years, it took me years. In fact, I only found the memory less than a year ago. Years and years and years until I was able to have access to that. And so then in the moment, you just bring the worth back, right? And then you say you don't have to remove that. Anyways, that's a whole inner child processing. Yeah. But my point is that we always do it. We do it because there is a benefit for us when we adapt, right? So if you're having problems with money, ask yourself, what's the benefit, or what did removing money from my life create or did for me, because I am adapting to meet one of my needs. And most of the time, it always ends in connection, because at the basic, that's our most basic need. But connection through what? Through belonging, connection through approval, connection to praise, connection to, there's some sort of connection. So find out, and then only then you have to be willing to lose that to heal that one. Because you can be visualizing, trying to manifest, and it doesn't happen, is because you're not willing to lose that benefit. And sometimes it's not, you're like, as an adult, you're like, but I don't care about that anymore. Yeah, the adult, but the child still holds to that belief. So that's why you had to go to childhood and remove that in childhood. Yeah.